Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and enabling the Vim extension in Vscode. This gives you native motions. First, open Extensions, search Vim, install and reload the window. Once done, open any text file and press Escape to ensure you are in normal mode. Make sure Vscode key bindings do not conflict by disabling other Vim-like extensions. This initial step is essential because basic motions won't work until the extension is active and you are in normal mode, so verify before proceeding. Now focus on the core motions that speed up navigation. Use H, J, K, L to move one character. Press numbers like 3J to move 3 lines down. Move by word with W, E, B, and jump to lines starts with 0, caret, or to ends with $. Use F char to find a character ahead, T char to stop before it, and to repeat the last find. Practice in your current file so these motions become reflexive, once comfortable. Combine them with counts and text objects. Finally, combine motions with editing commands to be productive. Prepend motions with D to delete, C to change, or Y to yank. For example, DW deletes to the next word and $$ deletes to line end. Use visual modes V and V to select by motion, then apply a command. If a mapping conflicts, edit settings. JSON, set Vim, normal mode key bindings, or disable conflicting shortcuts. Troubleshoot by checking the extension output and key binding editor. Most issues stem from conflicting shortcuts or other extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.